how to enable all call assistants like call screening, call caption, translate etc on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open setting, then here you can see the Galaxy AI. Make sure your phone with log into with your Gmail account. As you can see, I already logged into a Gmail account. Now go the setting and Galaxy AI. Then here you can see the call assistant. Go to call assistant. Then here you can see the call screening. Just enable your call screening. I'll show you later. Let's enable those options first. Then here you can see the live translate. I enable the live translate as well. Then other setting, if you go the call section, then three dotted line, then setting, three dotted line, then setting. Then here you can see the call caption. You can enable your call caption as well. And text roll etc. Now let's make a call, and find how it's working actually. Now first of all, when someone call you, you can see the call assistant. If you press on call assistant, then call screening or live translate. If you press on call screening, the message will show like that. For the person you're trying to reach, please say why you're calling. I want to talk with the gardening. So this is the call screening. So you can use your text call as well. I I want to receive the call, or if you press on cut, then your call will be cut. Now let's make a call again to check the translate and CC option. Now receive the call. Once you receive the call, then here you can see the two options. If you press on more, then you can see the call caption, and if you press on this icon, then you can see the live translate. If you press on live translate, for example, I want to translate English to Indonesia. Let's mute this option. Hey, how are you? How are you? As you can see, it's now translating as a different language. And another option, if you go back and if you press on more option, then you can see the call CC. So for that, you need to stop your translate option actually. Now if you press on call CC, now what I am saying, how are you? Yeah, I am fine. What about you? Then as you can see, call screening is available here. So this is the call assistant feature for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if video helpful, and if you have any query, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day.